Hi, welcome to AM Trading. Myself Tanuja. So today let us see what are all the stocks we can pick for day trading and also short term. Since we are doing day trading, so we need the high volume stocks. First, we'll analyze the previous ideas which I published. So go to ideas. So to get the new calls every day, you need to subscribe to my ideas. My profile name is Tanuja K. You can subscribe to this one. And okay, let us analyze. So already I have given the video on what are all the what will happen for Britannia, Cipla, and Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise was not still crossed the trend line in my previous video, but today it has already crossed, so we can expect a target up to 1050. 1050 we can expect that I'll be covering. So next is natural gas. Natural gas already uh, reached the target, and hope everyone book the profit. And Nestle India still target is not reached, and here also I have given video for Nestle India, HDFC Life, SBI Life, so that also you can go through. And Nestle India target is 17,450, and first target is 18,500, but still the call was given when the Nestle was 19. What is the price? Nestle price. Nestle. Where is Nestle? Okay, it's not in my watch list. Okay, we'll see what is the price of Nestle SBILIFE B. Okay, India. Nestle India. What is the price? It's taking time to load. Nestle India. Okay, this one. Nestle India. So now the price is 18,774 something. I gave the call when it was 18,960 or something. 960 or something. So now the value has reached 18,753, almost to 200 points down. Nestle India. And okay, let us analyze today's call and other. I hope other calls it reached the target already. Natural gas, Nestle India reached. Analysis on gold, soil. Reliance reached already. Reliance reached. Okay, we'll analyze today's stocks. And today, if we look into NSEindia.com, declines we can see 39 and advances 11. So the market is on bearish side. So we'll pick the last five stocks, that is Adanienent, BPCL, Eicher Motors, JSWSTEEL, and SBI Life. First, we'll go to Adani Enterprise. Where is Adani Enterprise? Adani Enterprise. Adani Enterprise. In my previous video, I have told it's not confirmed either on downward or upward because it was still lying upside. The value was upside this trend line, but now it has crossed that trend line with the moving average also. So we can expect the next target would be 1050, 1060, and if this also it crosses, the next target will be 654. But if here the value rejects, or if retracement happens, then we can expect the upward movement up to 2670 or 3280. Okay, let us see. But presently it's going downward, so we can expect the next target would be 1050 for Adani. Next stock will be SBILIFE. BPCL. BPCL already, if you look into the day chart, it has crossed on upward. Okay, the breakout happened on upper side, but here still it was not stable, so it's coming down for retesting. So it may come up to 297 for retesting. Okay, so then we can check whether it will go bullish or bearish, downtrend or uptrend. Okay, but presently it is coming down for retesting, that is 298. Next stock is Eicher Motors. Eicher Motors. We'll go to day chart. We'll go to day chart. Okay, it's on support line. So it needs to break this one, this support line. Then only we can expect the downtrend. But still, it's on this trend line. So max it can come up to 3190, 190 we can expect. After that, it needs to break down to come down, or if it acts as support, it will go upside. So this will be about Eicher Motors, and next will be JSW Steels. JSW Steels, what's happening here? We got the support line and breakout happened, but not in bigger time frame, but in lower time frame. For lower triangle, breakout happened on lower side, so we can expect the target up to 692, 692 or 660, 692 or 660. 692 will be the first target if this cross, if, because this line, this trend line is acting as a support. So if it gets support over here, it may trend upward. Okay, but if it breaks this one, next target would be 660. So this will be about JSW Steels. Next is SBI Life. In SBI Life, I already discussed in my previous videos. So it crossed the trend line and breakout happened on the downward. So it came for retesting, and again it is resuming downward. But if the value crosses this 1059, 1059, if it crosses, then we can expect a target up to 725. Okay, but here the value may reach up to 1070. Now presently it may reach up to here, but if it crosses this one, then we can expect a huge profit on downside. That's it for today. Thank you. So, if you want more information, you can subscribe to my channels. I am on Twitter, and my ID is am underscore. You can even visit my blogs, that is tanujakotapa.blogspot.com, or share market live chart today.blogspot.com. Here, two times T is not there, chart, and it is continuous today.blogspot.com. So here also I'll be giving everyday live calls. You go to this left side, right side of blog archive. So if you click on that blog archive, so you'll be getting all the blog spots every day. I'll be see here also, if you come downward downside, so here every day I'll be giving the live calls. This is on 17th, 15th, 14th, 20th of February. So here in archive also you'll get everything in February 2023, and this is of 20th of February. So you can subscribe to am underscore trading underscore institute. Okay. This will be of my Twitter, and here if you go to Blogspot, here all the details are there. Not this one here, tanujakotapa.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details. So this will be my Telegram channel. This will be my website. This will be my Facebook page, and this will be Telegram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube channel. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. There also I'll be uploading this video. Okay, that's it for today.